Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this Bovet, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability details. Today, we're discussing a model made in only 10 examples from Bovet of Moitié, Switzerland. This is the Amadeo 7-day Tourbillon, a double-sided watch with a 7-day power reserve, an extraordinary amount of hand engraving on a white gold case and hardware, the enamel dial, framing, a 1-minute tourbillon, power reserve indicator, and, as I mentioned, it is double-sided featuring Aventurine glass. And if you guys like special serial numbers, heads up, 1 of 10. So today, we're discussing a timepiece that is actually fully convertible to a table clock as well as a pocket watch. We're going to focus on its wristwatch aspect, and we're going to focus on its size. 44 millimeters in diameter. It is 15.2 millimeters thick, and if we're not measuring the cabochon of the crown, the total distance across the wrist is 54.6 millimeters. In white gold, it's very heavy, and you really feel where the money went. There's no mystery with these. These things are almost Fabergé eggs for the wrist. In fact, more so than any watch currently made by the Fabergé brand. This watch is so, I would say, dense with artistry and layered that it's almost like 3 or 4 works of art in one. On my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, it fits just fine. I'd recommend, though, that your wrist be my size or larger if you do want to wear this. It's not as thin as you think, but it's also not as thick as you think. Take a look at the profile, and you can see that with a domed bezel, you actually are probably fine with most dress cuffs. So, the strap, a few things to notice. First, the Amadeo case is fully convertible. So if I simply press and remove, now I can mate with a Bovet branded gold chain, and I can wear this as a pocket watch. And I'll demonstrate just how easy it is to replace that. Boom, done. Take note, sapphire cabochon on each side, and that the hinge lug is fully engraved. Notice also that the case is fully freehand engraved. I mean, no engines, no lasers, no CNC. This is all done by hand with a burr, and all of this scrolling. And then we get to the bottom, where there's still more scrolling, a little bit of a fleur-de-lis motif, still more cabochon. And now you might wonder, how do I get the bottom strap off? Well, on the case back, we have a little trigger that releases the case back. Let me just activate that right there. So this is here to release the lower strap. And you could see quite easily how if I were to remove the upper strap, now I do have a little table clock. So this is very, very clever and also very, very expensive and time-consuming to make, which is probably why Bovet does not make a lot of these. We're going to just put this right back in. By the way, you can wear the watch on either side. So if you want to install this backwards, it is a double-sided watch. Simply replace the case back. And then you replace the strap. And again, you could put this in backwards if you wish to do so. The strap is high grade. You can see calfskin on the bottom, Bovet factory strap. On the top, large rectangular scale, mostly symmetrical scale alligator leather, a very high grade cut of the animal with a little bit of a distressed gathering to it. You can see it's been bolstered to give it volume, monotone stitch. It's got a sheer cut edge with lacquering for refinement, a Bovet factory buckle. This is white gold, but it's the kind known as gray gold. So it's the kind that never needs to be rhodium plated. It's white all the way through. It's the good stuff. It's what Rolex, JLC, Grubel, de Bethune, and of course Bovet use. Now these are real sapphires here. This isn't some sort of spinel. So whatever you see on this watch is always the real deal. The dial looks like blue enamel because it is blue enamel. Bovet makes just about every part of the watch, and dials, cases, movements, even a lot of movement components that are highly specialized, they have the faculties to do all of this. So the dial is blue enamel, which is remarkable because blue, like black, is a dark color that shows all flaws. And in general, most companies will stop at white. That's the height of their ambition. Creating dark colored enamel that shows no rippling or orange peel is very difficult, but Bovet's got that down. We have these lovely white gold serpentine hands with red lacquered ends, a palm style. And then you can see that we have applied Roman numerals in white gold, and then we have gold frames for the power reserve indicator as well as the tourbillon. And that's actually the dial itself, that little frame. It's not an insert. There's sort of a, I guess you could call it almost like a champlevé, where the dial has been lowered somewhat and the fired enamel has been built up so it's level with these little raised outlines for the power reserve and the tourbillon. Very impressive. And of course, the dial base is solid gold. 20 firings at least at up to 800 degrees centigrade with glass-based paint. That's how you achieve an enamel dial. At any phase of the construction of the dial, it could ripple, it could crack, it could even explode in the oven. That's why enamel is very scarce and great enamel is very dear. Taking a look at the tourbillon, you can see right here, it's got a unique tourbillon cage design, and there is a little serpentine in there. So this 1-minute tourbillon can be used, if you wish, as your seconds display. The movement has 6 days of power reserve, a tourbillon power reserve indicator. It is a 48 joule movement, and basically every part of it is constructed by Bovet. And you can see that the plate on which that bridge is built is absolutely gorgeous, engraved and hammered. So notice you get both. You get the banknote scrolling, but then you get that hammered or tremblage style indentation created with hundreds of tiny impacts. The screws are blued. You can see the bridge is mirror polished and it's been beveled on its edge. It's a very special watch in every regard. Now let's go over to the case back. Take a look at the reverse side. We're not gonna necessarily wear it as a pocket watch or put it down as a table clock. But now Aventurine glass is a different type of enamel, and it is still vitreous and fired in a kiln, but it also has mineral elements, metallic elements that are blended in. It's a very dark translucent blue, forgive the fingerprints, so that you can see those elements shining through the enamel itself. It's not a dual time. The watch time on each side is the same, but because you can wear it backwards, you can change the aesthetic if you don't want it to look quite so frumpy and ornate. You can tone it down a little bit, not a lot, but a little bit. And a very cool watch in every regard, one that requires a lot of confidence, I think, because this watch accomplishes without colored gold or diamonds what many seek to accomplish through that route. This watch just has so much presence, personality, individuality, and refinement that it cannot help to be noticed. And you can see that Amadeo case design is also quite prominent. So an awesome watch from a brand I love. 30 meters water resistant. Again, don't go swimming with it, but if you want a very cool serial of a very cool watch from a very cool exclusive brand that has no advertising and needs none, check out this Bovet Amadeo 7-day tourbillon. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.